How to add drop-off in Grab. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add drop-off in Grab. First, open your Grab application on your mobile device. Now tap on the food option to explore the various restaurants available for delivery. Then, select the food item that you want to order by tapping on it. Once you've made your selection, tap on Add to Basket to include it in your order. After adding the item to your basket, you'll be prompted to add your drop-off location. Now enter the address where you want the food delivered, or select the location from the map by tapping the appropriate option. Make sure to confirm the drop-off location before proceeding. Finally, you will need to add your payment method to complete your order. You can select from various payment options available in the app. Once everything is set, you can finalize your order, and your food will be delivered to the specified drop-off location. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.